Hello everyone, I'm Justin Obney, founder of Obney AI, and I'm incredibly excited to invite you to an exclusive half-day workshop happening on January 21st. This session is all about how artificial intelligence can drive real, measurable results for your business. AI is transforming industries across the board, from streamlining operations to delivering exceptional customer experiences. But here's the thing, it's not just about adopting tools. It's about adopting them in a way that create maximum impact with minimal disruption on your business. And that's exactly what this workshop is designed to do. By the end of our session, we're going to discover actionable AI use cases tailored to your industry. We'll identify key bottlenecks in your business where AI can make the biggest impact. And you'll leave with one or two actionable AI processes you can start implementing right away to see results. This isn't just another presentation. It's an interactive, roll up your sleeves kind of workshop. We'll dive into live exercises, we'll break into small group discussions, and we'll even experiment with AI tools in real time. By the end, you'll have practical steps you can take to start implementing AI in your business operations immediately. So whether you're just starting to explore AI or you're already using it and you want to take it further, this workshop is designed to meet you right where you're at. And we want to give a special huge thank you to Stuart and the rest of the community for making this possible. It's going to be an incredible morning of learning, collaboration, and growth, and I can't wait to see you there. Thank you.